up? It's your girl Desire Jean. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you're not already subscribed. So today I'll be showing you guys how I do my nighttime skincare routine. So I will just be beginning by using the Burt's Bees facial cleansing wipes. It is the normal to oily pack, and I have been using these wipes for years and they have not failed me yet. So I will just be wiping my face just to get any dirt or any makeup off, but today I did not wear any makeup at all, so I'm just wiping my face just to prep it before I begin to cleanse. Okay, y'all, then I'll be using my facial steamer. I did purchase this a while ago from Luxe Skin, so I'll be leaving a link down below for you guys, but you guys can definitely get this a lot cheaper from Amazon. So I will just go ahead and pour some distilled water inside of it. You can also use purified water or filtered water, but I use distilled water and just pour it in, and then I allowed it to heat up. And then I will just steam my face for about 1 to 2 minutes. Just really allow my pores to open up. There are many benefits for using a facial steamer. Benefits that I have definitely noticed is that using the facial steamer, just like I said, it opens up your pores and helps to loosen up any dirt or any makeup buildup that you had, and it allows for a better and deeper cleanse. And then also boosts the blood flow in your skin, which will result in a more natural, healthier glow. And then it helps to release dead skin cells, bacteria, and other impurities that clog your pores and causes acne. And yeah, I can definitely say and honestly say that I have seen a huge difference in my skin since I've been using the steamer. My skin has been looking way better. A lot less acne. All the dark spots on my face is starting to go away. It's amazing. You guys should go out and purchase it. Y'all, it's also relaxing, like really relaxing. Okay, y'all, then I'll go ahead and use an oil cleanser to cleanse my face. And this is an all natural and all organic tea tree and chamomile face cleanser, and this is from the Love By Tal skincare line. And y'all, this skincare line is amazing, and when I say amazing, I mean amazing. And it's Black owned, so I definitely be having a link for you guys down below, so go ahead and check it out. And y'all, there's many benefits for using an oil cleanser. My main benefits is because it balances the oils in my skin, which does not make my face super oily at the end of the day coming from a long day of work. And it also helps with reducing acne. Like using an oil cleanser and that face steamer together, like those two things together is so bomb, and it definitely reduced all the acne that I have on my face. And then you can also use it as a makeup remover. It will melt your makeup off while hydrating, nourishing, and softening your skin. So yeah, so all I did was just apply a few drops to my face, and I'm just really working it into my skin, loving my skin, caressing my skin, just really getting it in there. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll. Okay, so once I'm done loving on my face, then I did go ahead and use a wet cloth to wipe the oil off my face, and then I'll be using the Body Love face mask. And this face mask is a DIY mask, which I think is really cool. So on the website, you can go ahead and choose what you want to add in it, like make it your own. So you can choose what type of organic clay you want. You can add additives, and you can even choose if you want charcoal in it or not. So I believe the clay that I did choose was the Rassel. I think that's how you say it, the Rassel clay. And then I added Turmeric in it, and then I did opt into getting charcoal. So all I did was just pour a little into a bowl, put some water in it, mix it up, and then I am just applying it to my face. But they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us. Okay, so as my face mask was drying, my lips was drying up too, so I had to add some chapstick. But it did take about 8 to 10 minutes for the face mask to completely dry. And y'all, I know y'all be getting those little itches everywhere when it's drying, but I feel like it's a sign that it's working. So after it is dried, I did go ahead and rinse my face off in the sink, and then I'll just be using a clean towel to dry off my face. Okay, so once my face is dried, I'll go ahead and use the face toner. This is the Rose Hibiscus Refresh and Hydrate Toner. And y'all, this smells really, really good. But I'll just go ahead and use some cotton pads and just spray the toner on the pad and apply it to my face. But if you don't like to use any cotton pads, or if you don't have any, then you can definitely just spray it directly onto your face.
Details, let me inside of your mind. I know I just met you, but something tells me that you might be into talking to a stranger with a tattoo. Baby, I'm one of a kind.
Y'all, in this aloe vera gel right here, I've been using this for years. It is the GOAT. So I'll just go ahead and take just a little bit and apply it to my face and rub it in until it is dry. Or sometimes you can even use this as a face mask and just put it on your face like in a thick layer, leave it on and then wash it off. But I just like to rub it really into my skin. And then I'll go ahead and use the face serum. This is the lavender clarifying and anti-aging face serum. I'll just go ahead and just use a few drops onto my face and rub this into my face until it is dried.
Talking, I can't help but feel like I've been chosen. I'm the one inside your mind. You go on about your charm. Tell me things like I can't hate to walk 10 dogs. I go on about my ex who broke my heart. Baby, we're two of a kind. There's a reason we're here. There's a vibe in the air that neither you and me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy.
Okay, and so then I'll go ahead and use the Farmer's Touch Eyelash Serum. This is an all-natural and organic product as well. My sister-in-law gave this to me. I'm not quite sure where she got it from, but I'll just apply this to my eyelashes. I will either use a cotton pad, a cotton swab, or my fingers, which I like to use my fingers. So I'll just go ahead and massage it into my eyelashes, and then I'll use a cotton pad to take the extra off.
We are meant to be the way you're talking to me.
Okay, y'all, so this is it. My skin is feeling amazing and I'm ready for bed. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and most definitely subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.